What we're going to do here is we're just going to kind of use the FIB tool to trade this gold reversal here. So as soon as we hit that 50%, we'll pay ourselves one lot, or you take off two. So we'll just see if we can get here in the next couple of minutes. And then we'll move the stop. You would move the stop loss to break even. I had it one tick above that breaker there. When we got the reversal here, I didn't notice it till down here. So you wait for the break in structure, trade back into it, and then get short. So I took the short there, and one tick above that. I'm wrong. So now I'm going to use the FIB tool on the whole range. This is my target down here, but I'm going to use the FIB tool to pay myself on the way down so you get an idea of what this looks like. I'll just do one. So we'll do one here, one here, one here. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest should get us into this discount array here. Now, different ways you can set that up is you'll say you can put a pending order in here if you want. You can like add a buy limit order. But see, if this trades back against you and takes your stop loss and then comes down here and you're in a buy while it goes into a sell, you'll end up losing out. Because this is a buy limit, right? Or you can just watch it and wait for the 50% to get hit. And this is a 5-minute chart, so it's going to be, each candle is going to be quite lengthy. So I'll pause the recording and then come back to it if it comes back there. Hang on. Okay, so we're just coming up to it now, so I'll take a partial right there. Now we're down to 4. Stop loss would move to break even, so it's a zero stress trade now, and I've paid myself a portion. If this turns against me now and goes higher, then I'm okay with that. I nibbled a small portion out of that, so the next thing we're looking for is the 62%. And looking at this level right here, that would put us right inside this old premium array. So we could come back at revisiting that just below the 50% mark. So just kind of watch how that goes. I'll pause that for a bit and see where we go. Okay, I've moved my stop loss down a little further, and I'm just kind of watching this level right here right now. I'll take one more off if we start to climb up through here. Remember, you usually take half your trade off at 50% and move to break even. I only took one off, so I'll take the other one off. If we don't react off of here, if I see it starting to pop through here again, I'll close out another 2. I'll wait and see where that sits now. I'll pause it for a little bit. At this point, we've returned to this little, we've broken down below this low here, and we've come back and just hit it perfectly. So I don't want to see that revisit that high there. Don't want this to continue coming lower now. Just a quick review. We're still waiting for this candle to come down. It's another 10-15 minutes later. I'll come back and see if we can come in digging into this range here. I'm on a 5-minute chart, so I'm going to stay here. This is the one I started the trade on. So this is the one I'm going to continue the trade on. We've dipped down below that 50% now, so I'm actually going to take off one more because we've traded below the 50%. So we've dug into that discount rate, but we never actually started going deeper. So I want to see this order block right here, this bullish candle. I want to see it hold price now. Remember that one we wanted to see hold price off this low and kept coming lower, which is great. Come back to this order block. That's okay too. And then I want to see it just continue to kind of slowly roll over here and dig down to that 62%. Our downside objective, if we're doing the boxing technique or the box-to-box trading, is trading from this box premium array in that one all the way down to this one here. So that's our downside objective at the end of it anyway. Okay, it came back and took out my stop loss. I had my stop loss just sitting above that level, as you saw. It came back, took me out. So there's your 50%. So if this ends up going back to this premium box and we don't get the box to box down into here, look for just a retracement. I'd like to see if a retracement to this order block or this one here holds price in this fair value gap. If we end up going above that, look for a run through here, and that box isn't going to get hit. If we do get a small retracement here, watch this. A price leg like this from here to here. And if we go down to our box here, the very bottom of the box, we could be coming right up into this order block here. So that's kind of like where I'm looking right now.